By most Americans' perceptions, this is a miserable day. Europeans are out way more than we are, and their weather is way worse. This is a sunny day in Sweden, right here. Issue is really just attitude, and I think, and here's the kicker, and this is kind of, you know, the theme here is like gear. If you got good gear, it's awesome. You know, there's nothing wrong with this. In fact, it kind of scares the crowds away. We'll do the clockwise loop. I don't know if you've taken people on these hikes before and they kind of look up and they're like, cannot believe those rocks are sticking out like that. These are all over Garrett County.
Do you want to explain what y'all are going to do here?
Well, what we're going to do is, obviously we're going to run the waterfall.